Good morning, everybody. Let's get right to it and discuss the stocks for today. Got many stocks to watch, so let's get right to it and start our hunt for today, Tuesday. Before we go further, guys, remember our content here only for educational purposes, and we're not financial advisors, so always do your due diligence before you put your money on the line. So let's get right to it, guys, and start the hunt for today. And let us see. Okay. Good morning, everybody. Good morning. Yeah, Beyond Meat is still going down, guys. Let's see if it reversed today. We're gonna discuss where the reversal zone for today. Now is 220 in Europe. 220, brother. Okay, so VSEE, guys, looking interesting today. We got the huge news, 270%. VSEE awarded U.S. Department of Health and Human Service, VSE strength balance sheet with elimination of debt. Interesting. We got secures 10 million plus teleradiology contract. We got a lot of things going on with VSEE, guys. At the market open, we should break here around the $3.10. Would be great if we broke because we're gonna have the 480. $3.10 is the major level of resistance. We got gem. This one as well. I'm currently watching it closely for at least holding the 38 to break the current resistance now around 47. If RGT pulling back because it tested our resistance here around the 210 or 212 and pull back, could be great at the market open if we broke the $2.12. For now, it is a bit on the weaker side. We got XHLD, the same, is pulling back, testing the first support. We might continue this pullback toward the 35 if we don't break the 60. ATCH, the same, didn't break here, the level of resistance. RELI, pull back toward the support. Beyond Meat, 3%, 40-day. $2.23 could be the turning point, guys, for Beyond Meat. Today is the day if we want to have a reversal, guys. Yeah, if we're gonna have a reversal, we should reverse now. Yeah, for now, currently is pulling back down. So the 2.23 will be the turning point. The other stock that we discussed yesterday, guys, was UPS and PayPal. PayPal hit the 82.50 or 82.44. We already did the short analysis update yesterday and today, guys. It was great hunt on our Hunter channel here. So yesterday we discussed PayPal. As you can see here, we said the 71.84 is the breakout zone, and we did that, and we went toward the 77. The other stock that we discussed yesterday, it was UPS, the same, broke the resistance and did 20% today, and we updated the chart today on our watch list. And we said UPS around the 108, PayPal, yes, as you can look here, the price was around the 82.40 in the pre-market or 82.15. And we suggest to exit for our hunter here because we said the 82.44 is the resistance profit taken for PayPal. And guess what? We have our pullback from the 82.44. We pulled back right 7%. Yes. So PayPal and UPS, great trade from yesterday. Huge earning, guys. Huge earnings for PayPal. As you can look here, suppress 11% even for the revenue. Okay, so PayPal and UBS looking great for today. Palant TRY, George asked about TRY. I will check it out. Nothing much. It broke kind of support. Let's see which support that we should watch now. We have a little support here around the 140. The main support, it is over the 115. Now we have to go up to break this resistance around the 180 in order to go toward the 217 and then the 260. This is for TRY. ATCH, yeah, it pulled back toward the support here. Currently, it's pulling back. I'm gonna then put the resistance now around the 51 for ATCH. For Gem, I'm gonna take it from the list here. I don't like the chart that much, so I'm gonna keep VSEE, FRGT, XHLD. I'm gonna lower the resistance for it here. And ATCH, yes. But number one still VSEE, guys. Good afternoon, Chris. Good afternoon. GPUS, John, I will check it right now. GPUS, what's going on with this one? Yeah, GPUS, guys, looking interesting. John, it tested the 73, so I will be extremely careful from 73. After that, the 99. Yeah, the almost the $1. There's a psychological level around the 99 cents that we might test if we broke the 74 over the 74. For now, we have to hold over those two supports, the 56 and 46. But yeah, good catch, John. GPUS looking fantastic from opinion here. Yeah, 73 should be the breakout zone. 56, if we broke the or hold this 56 would be a good indication for a nice jump toward the 99. This is my ultimate level that GPUS might hit, but before that, I think we're gonna have the 83. Yeah, or yeah, 83 should be the first level after we break the 73. This is the current resistance. So I'm gonna keep GPUS here after FVSEE. Great catch, man. I like it technically. Great catch, John. Good morning, Sally. Good morning. Yeah, today VSEE, guys. And the one that John brought is GPUS. Yes, those two are the best, for my opinion. We got 2 minutes left at the market open, guys. 2 minutes left. 2 minutes left. So don't forget to subscribe and put the notification on because we always go live every day to discuss the markets. So make sure to hit the like button on the way in and subscribe. Again, we always go before this live streaming, we always do updates in our Discord and Patreon for a daily updates because usually in pre-market is the action where the action happened. As a reminder, guys, UPS did really great earnings today, pre-market, and PayPal as well. Both of them hit our resistance and profit taken, especially PayPal around the 82.44. We already did this update yesterday before the market closed for those two stocks, especially PayPal. It was really great hunt because we hit or we broke the 71 and we went toward the 72 and 82. As you can see here, we hit the 82 and we pulled back from the 82.50. So that's why we did another update before the market open or on our watch list for PayPal to take profit really quick around the 82.44. After that, after this update, the stock went down 8% from this level. But PayPal, yes, is still up 8%. It was over 8%. It was 16%. So it was wise to take profit. So guys, the market is open. Let's see if PayPal hold over the 75.40 would be great. Let's see. VSEE, it need to break the $3.10, guys, to go up. GB US, it need to break the 72 to squeeze up. XHLD, nothing to see here. ATCH, it prepared to break this channel here. Yes, looking really interesting to break up. If we held the 43 for ATCH, guys, we might have a nice reversal. Beyond Meat, 7% up, started to reverse. Watch out for Beyond Meat. We have the $2.23 to break. The seller came for Beyond Meat right around this breakout here. This is where all went wrong for Beyond Meat after we broke this channel. But now we could have a reversal if we broke the $2.23. Going back for VSEE, 300%. Finally, we have some stock doing 300%. This is the main unicorn for today. GPUS started to go up. It need to break the 72, guys, as a reminder to confirm a squeeze. Let me know, guys, if we have a broken this resistance. Let me know in the comment section below so we could watch it together. George, simple answer for this majestic, great question. Why people doesn't liking and subscribing? For liking, because people forget. Usually, a lot of traders are busy to trade, and some of my viewers told me that they just listen and they don't reply or even chat here on the live chat section because they are introvert. They don't like the spotlight, and plus maybe they listen while they're driving back home or from work, or working at the same time listen to our live streaming. So they do our live streaming as a radio. So they don't have they don't engage or liking the video or something like this. It's kind of interesting because if you just take yourself from the equation and think subjectively about what people do, you understand why people don't like and maybe even subscribe. They just do a lot of things at the same time. They don't have time, you know, to subscribe or like. But the thing is, you can't have time, guys. Nobody can have time because time is doesn't exist, guys. It only exists in our mind. So when you say I don't have time to do something, it mean you're delusional. So wake up. Wake up, my brother. Don't be in the matrix. The matrix is you. A lot of people say like I need to stop working 9 to 5 to escape the matrix. And tell my friend, you can't escape the matrix. The matrix is you. You are the software inside your brain. Anyway, VSEE, we have 217. I think we got halted, guys. VSEE, I think is halted up. GPUS is going down. FRGT is coiling up. 212 is the breakout. We got ACTH, have to break the 51. RELE, nothing much. Beyond Meat, 8%. Looking fantastic toward the 2.23, guys. I'm watching the stock that's been halted right now to see. Sharing is caring, exactly. Oh man, one of our trader here said he work and trade at the same time, multitasking. CODX is halted. We got WULX is halted, guys. We got VSEE is halted. I think is number one right now, guys. Everybody watching is VSEE because it's halted up. This is crazy work. George, great man. Thank you, man. Thank you. You see, it's priority, guys. George work in a hospital, which is a highly demanding job, and yeah, a lot of responsibility in a hospital. Even though George work in a hospital, he still find time to trade with us and share his knowledge, and of course, um, liking and subscribing and do all that. So it's about uh, priorities, guys. If someone told you I don't have time, it mean you're not priority for them. So it's really simple. Stock are under life support. Okay, let me just check those two stocks, then I will check Bitcoin. VSEE, guys, is unhalted and went down. Watch out. It is too risky right now. VSEE is halted down right now. I'm watching VSEE. If it pulled back toward the 130, we might initiate a trade. But now I will be on the sideline. WULX, no good. And the other one is CODX, I think is on the other list. Is halted down. Game over, guys, for CODX. I think is game over here. It's too risky play. Tier Y, Gem. Yeah, it's not that good. UMAT, not good. Deleting the stocks that not looking great. So we have room for the others. So yeah, VSEE, guys, is halted down 215. Once the unhalting open, we might dip some more. So this one might get halted so many times, guys. So I will wait for 30% drop for entry, but because right now it's overextended. GBUS, nothing much. FRGT, nothing much. Whoa, XHLD, guys. Number one, XHLD warning. We've got liftoff. Liftoff for one of those stocks. We got a liftoff, everybody. This one is just Cape Graffiti. XHLD, we should watch. XHLD is the only one that broke the resistance at the market open. But I think it have a limit to buy this one in European market. Okay, XHLD, guys, we got a bit of resistance, I think, around this level. That's why we have a bit of struggle around the 67. If we broke the 67, we might have the 82 at least. And maybe the 98, which is the top level of resistance before the $1. Watch out, guys. This one looking great. If it held right now over this current support, yes, around the 52 would be great. This one look fantastic here. Even the sharp look phenomenal. Look at that. Really perfect trade here. Okay, so XHLD number one, we have the 80 and almost the $1 to go. VSEE, wait for 30% drop. And the rest, oh man, ATCH, I might put it third right now because it broke the trend here, almost going toward the 51. The rest, I will keep it on the waiting list because like Beyond Meat is pulling back now. If RGT, it's not my cup of tea. GPUS, not ready for now. Let us now go to cryptos. For Bitcoin, nothing much. Currently have a resistance around the 116. The best case or the best thing that happened for crypto is double bottom around the 103. We might have the all-time high again for crypto if we broke the 122,600. Ethereum the same, looking fantastic if it broke the 4,200. We might go to all-time high again. So I will keep it on my list, especially Ethereum, guys. Yeah, Ethereum looking fantastic here. Holding the gains. We have another support for Ethereum around the 4,000. So this is kind of psychological level for Ethereum to hold. Going back to XHLD. Yes, XHLD is number one right now. Yeah, UPS and PayPal was really great to exit. It was really great to exit in pre-markets. You see, guys, that's why we do major update early in pre-market. PayPal, we suggest to exit before the market open around the 82.44 because right now it's below the 76. We got a question from one of our elite members. So let's see. FRGT levels, CODX charts. Let's see. FRGT, brother, I think I already discussed it here. I took it from the list. I don't like it that much for FRGT. Let's see. Yeah, it is shady, man. If it broke the current resistance, around 214 would be great, but for now, I don't trust it that much. Current support is the 160, and yeah, we got profit taken at least around 244. After that, $3.15. But for now, the trick is breaking the 215, brother. 215, it is the current level to squeeze up from. And the 160 is the stop loss. So if we broke it, don't try to buy it. CODX, on the other hand, let me just check here. Yeah, I took it from the list as well. Yeah, CODX, I think is got halted down and flushed 40%. Now it's 51%. So if you want to buy the dip, be careful, brother. This one, it need to hold here. If we don't hold, it's mean game over. Around, yeah, the 51. And the current resistance and profit taken, if you want to exit from it, is around the 68 and 85. But now we got, yeah, a bottom that we should reverse from over the 51. So even before the 51, around the fifth, um, around the, yeah, around 52, 53, we should have a reversal. If we didn't, it mean game over. Yeah, we should have early reversal over the 51. So this is the resistance plus profit if we held the 51, of course, around the 0.68. Anyway, going back to XHLD. Yo, XHLD is still breaking the resistance. It's going toward the 81. Oh, brother, I think we got a major resistance right now to go around the 79. Yeah, 79, and the ultimate level is the 98. But yeah, the only one that look really great is XHLD, everybody. Yeah, it look really good. After that, VSEE, because it's still halted, and 250, so there's a chance for entry if we held. The rest is kind of not ready yet. There is no action, especially if you open, because it's currently below the resistance. UBS fighting as well. Yeah, UBS, I think I'm gonna update the chart later on again. PayPal, it dipped a lot, guys. Yes, it dipped a lot, so it's a bit dangerous here. Let's see the other stocks. APLD pulling back out. Tesla going to all-time high. Coinbase, the same. Let us see the top gainers. We might have something. Yeah, VSEE is still number one. We got Long. John, you asked me about this. Yes, it is 40% long. Have a huge resistance around the 249. And current support is just over the 206. Yeah, 206. And the bottom should be 187. And it's getting near a resistant, already tested the resistant. So this is the current resistant. If we broke it around the 230, we're gonna go toward the 249. If we don't break it, watch out for the 206, because if we broke it, is mean we're gonna go down more toward the 187. So holding the 206 will give us a clear indication that we're gonna go toward the 230 and 249. W key. I don't like it. I think the rest is not that good. So we stay with XHLD and VSEE, guys, unhalted right now. Resumption for VSEE. Beyond the support is a bit far, brother. The right support is a bit far. That's why, let's see, right now it's 12%. Aha. There is a big buyer right now. Nice. Yeah, we have another buyer, guys. A really good buyer. Let's see. Yes, it just came around the 184. Current resistance, everybody, is just around the $2.23. So the current support is the 184. Bottom is the 131. So watch out for the 184. If we held it, we're gonna break the $2.23. So Beyond Meat, 14%, guys. I think Beyond Meat has started to reignite. Beyond Meat igniting again. This is it. Might be it. Yeah, Beyond Meat looking fantastic here. XHLD pulling back around the 70 precisely. VSEE is halted up. Holy baloney. Guys, we got 3 haltation here. This is crazy. This is the first haltation at the market open. Second haltation, 5 minutes. Third haltation, another 10 minutes. So we got 5-minute haltation, 10-minute haltation down, and now we might have another 10-minute haltation. Technically, we didn't even trade, man. If you traded VSEE, it's all the 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 whole half an hour. It was all haltation. ASST trying to go up. Let's see. Let's see if it's trying. Yeah, we got a really good reversal from the 125, almost around our support, the 118. Currently, it need to break, yeah, over the 170, over 179, because we already got shorted a lot back in beginning of October, so I will pass on ASST. Beyond Meat, guys, 16%. Beyond Meat, I think we got FOMO again. Beyond Meat, everybody waiting for the reversal, of course. Everybody waiting for the right reversal. When the reversal will happen, everybody asking this question. Because usually when a stock go down, it take a bit of time for a reversal. Sometimes a few days, sometimes few weeks, months. And this is depends, as we said, about breaking this resistance, man. So we got a nice range right now between the 184 and the 123. As long as we are between those ranges, mean we just accumulating and fueling up. And this one is escaping from this channel, guys, finally. ATCH, it might be the one as well. I don't know if it's halted. Let's see. ATCH, if it's halted. No, it's just light volume. VSEE is the only one is currently halted right now with the reason code LUDP. Halted around 46, yes. And now is 51. So technically should be now is 5 minute haltation. No, I think it's 10 minute haltation, guys, for VSEE. Another 10 minute haltation. Crazy. XHLD is going up again. This is really good sign. Good sign for a XHLD. We might have now the 79. After that, yes, a new high is coming. 70 now, 70 cent. We need the 71, 77, or 70, 70. Yeah, we found the 71. Yeah, VSEE is resumption now. Is going down again. Holy baloney. Are we halted down, guys, for VSEE? Holy moly, this is crazy. 1, 2, 3, 4 haltation. I think this is one will break the haltation record. The biggest one, I think it was one that get halted almost 10 times. This is crazy. You can't trade those stocks, guys, because it's technically will be a gambling, because once you enter, even if you want to exit, your price will never be executed because there's no even time for your broker to initiate or execute your trade. Long, nothing much here, didn't break the level. GPUS, it is shady because it broke or tested the support. I'm gonna keep it on the other list or the waiting list. ATCH, guys, is moving. Watch out, ATCH is about to break here. So we got ACCH and XHLD. Those two looking great. VSEE will be great after done halting if we got near the 131. So now let us switch to ATCH because it's getting near the breakout around the 51. Yeah, GPUS is reverse, brother. Yes. Yeah, reverse really quick from the support. Exactly. Huge reversal. Let's see how much we reverse from the support here. Yeah, 9%. So if you entered, brother, make sure to take profit because the big seller is just there around the 65. So make sure to exit and take your profit there, man, because we might not even go there. And then the next time we test the 55, we might flush down toward the 46. So lower your risk and take a bit of profit here. The resistance, as we said, is the 65, brother. XHLD going back is getting near the 79. And ATCH is nearing the breakout. Guys, ATCH is not, is restless. Yes, is restless to break the 52 here. I'm gonna add another support just in case if we have a pullback around the 46. For now, looking great, guys. ATCH is just starting to move. Yeah, it started to move up. Fantastic. ATCH now, it look really good. ATCH is getting near the breakout. Let's see. Let's see. XHLD, I think, is doing a new level. Is stuck around the 6666, the double number. Now it's moving. Yeah, it's getting near major resistance. That's why we have a bit of struggle, guys, for XHLD. For ATCH is just nearing the breakout here. This one might get halted if we broke the 52 and if we have a good buyer. What a day. Today it was a bit active, a little bit active, but we saw better days, I think, before. We have better days. Anyway, so this is the main event. ATCH, XHLD, and VSEE currently halted. We're gonna do update after this live streaming, guys, because the action, I think, is not there yet. We didn't have the main action. Usually when we don't have the action at the beginning of the market, we might have it during the market or before the market close. So if that happened, well, I'm gonna do a major update on Discord and Bitcoin for the alerted or updated level for the support and resistance for those stocks. And of course, we're gonna do another swing trade for today because yesterday we did good to trade for our hunters for UBS and PayPal. Both of them did a great job, hit our profit taking. So in the meantime, guys, thank you for watching. See you by tomorrow, 30 minutes before the market opens. So don't forget to come early and of course subscribe if you're not there or if you're not subscribed yet. This is the least you can do to support the channel. So thank you in advance. And of course, thank you for being here and being one of our members. Yeah, we're gonna continue the hunt on our Discord and Patreon in a bit. So if you with us in Discord, make sure to put notification on. So once we put the chart, you'll be alerted automatically. Thank you for watching, guys, and see you.